Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to use customized cutout in CapCut PC. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in CapCut, you can click on the following options to create your account. You can use your Google, you can use your TikTok, you can use your Facebook account, you can continue with your CapCut mobile, and by following the on-screen instructions, you're good to go. Now, customized cutouts allow you to personalize your videos by incorporating unique shapes, images, or designs. This can help you achieve a distinct visual style and make your video stand out. With customized cutouts, you have the freedom to use an image or shape as you mask for your video clips. This opens up endless creative possibilities, allowing you to experiment with different effects and composition. Now, what I'm going to do is try to create a new blank canvas. And from here, we are going to use the customized cutout workaround here in CapCut PC. Now, I'm gonna upload the file here. Now, once on my editor, I'm gonna drag a photo here at the top so we can explore and play around with the customized cutout. Now from here, all I have to do is click on the option that says basic, and you would be able to have an option that says cutout, because from there you can blend the to overlay or like screen, and you can customize the scaling of this one. Right, say position is 20, or you can use the blending mode as overlay. See that one? Now you already have customized the cutout option here on CapCut. Basically, you can do that to the at the background video as well, and just click on the fill out form for the customized cutout in CapCut PC. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.